Hi guys, welcome back to StrollWithMe. I hope you all are doing well, and in this video I'm gonna talk about my food experience in Vistara and Air India flight and what I have been served when I was traveling with them. So guys, we have finally checked in and we are sitting at the gate, not at the gate but nearby. It's very rush. As you know, Frankfurt airport is the busiest airport, so it is. And also we couldn't find the launch. It is very far and we are already tired and we don't want to walk to the launch. That's why we are just using this just seating areas, and we are sitting here. And due to this COVID, you know, the rules are continuously changing. I just want to tell you, you don't need to panic. There is no much that you need to do. If you are traveling via Air India, just make sure that you have uploaded all the documents in the Air Suvidha. You have done your PCR test and uploaded the PCR test. You uploaded your passport, and also you uploaded your COVID vaccination 2 doses. So these are all the things that you need to do inside this Air Suvidha. And basically, yeah, that's it. You have to do your web check-in if possible, otherwise you can even do it at the airport. So that's all guys. This is like easy and simplest process. There is no like much hassle, but make sure that you just come here 4 to 5 hours before your flight time, because the queues are long. So it might happen that you might run out of time and you have to do everything in a very quick way. So yeah, so all set to board the flight. Our flight is in under 1 hour. So yeah, we are just waiting here, just had our lunch. So see you again in a while once I board the flight. So guys, we have boarded the flight and about to take off. The flight is fully booked, and yeah, so see you then at the Delhi airport, because there are no much updates to give at the moment. ये लो जी, हमारा खाना आ गया. First meal. Started eating Indian food. So I have ordered for a veg meal, and the veg meal has paneer and it has gajar ka halwa, and this one I think yeah, this is drinking water, drink water, and we have peanuts here, and of course you will get water. Yeah, so I mean in addition to this water, you will again get an extra water. You just have to go to the front desk and you have to take from there. The bottles are just lying there. And also we have a brochten, a bread, and also a butter. So this is overall a meal. And coming to the drinks, we have in drinks cola. Either you can take cola or you can take wine. So I took cola. So that's it. I'll just open and quickly show you one more time how the paneer meal looks like. So guys, this is the meal. This is with paneer, and we have zira rice, and we have dal. I think this is dal makhani. So oopsie. Okay, so that's all we have. खाना कैसा है आपका? कैसे लगा?
खाना is good. I mean, it's again dal makhani, but
Okay.
it's tasty.
Okay, और पनीर है ना साइड पे?
Paneer, no, it's not paneer. It's gobi.
Okay,
And
it's
mixed
gobi,
veg.
but
Yes,
they
mixed veg.
told me paneer.
Maybe somewhere you can find paneer, but yeah, it's mixed veg.
Okay, after already started to eat and he didn't find paneer inside this gravy, so let's check. So we are getting served snacks, and I will show you what we have. So guys, got one more meal, which is veggie sandwich, 2 pieces of veggie sandwich, salad and water. So really very tired guys, because the flight was already 1.5 hours delayed, and we were really exhausted. And let's see, we are hoping just to reach on time. And also at the same time, even though we reach on time, once we reach to Delhi airport, we have to get done the PCR test, so it's gonna again take time there. So I don't know, I mean, I'm just exhausted because me and Aftab are awake from midnight 2 o'clock, and now it's already 8:30 German time. So yep. So guys, finally we have landed and we are waiting at the baggage counter. And just for you to know, there is no PCR test on arrival. Before there used to be one, but now there is nothing. You just have to show your fully vaccinated certificate and boarding pass, and you have to monitor your health for 14 days. You can already see I'm so tired, and I'm just gonna go now and take a nap. Okay guys, so this video is when I was going back to Berlin, and after eating lots of biryani at the airport, I'm so stuffed and unable to move even a bit. Okay guys, I have boarded Vistara flight, and I just want to give a difference if you're boarding a Vistara flight and if you're boarding an Air India, how different the experience is. So in Vistara, the capacity in which they are taking their passengers are limited, whereas in Air India, they are stuffing all the flights. That's what I have observed. At the same time, the television systems in Air India are not working. If you are in an 8 hours flight and if your television system is not working, then definitely you will go mad without anything. So that was really like a boring trip for me in Air India, but in Vistara, definitely those televisions were working. In Air India, the USB sockets were also not working. Here there is a blanket. So they provided us the Vistara blanket, and they provided us this FFP2 kit, which Air India also provided. But this kit has a sanitizer inside it, mask inside it, and this shield inside it. And what else? You see the table, it is very sleek and it's very strong table. And of course the entertainment system, it's working guys, it's definitely working. You can watch movies because it's 9 hours flight, so you will not get bored. That's really a good thing. And overall the flight looks very neat and clean. You see, the flight is really good, and especially the chairs of the flight are really good. You can happily sleep in this flight